A really strong bullish hint has been found. Ripple's price may soon go through the roof, and there's only one reason for this: the end of the court case between the SEC and Ripple. In fact, this is the very reason why the price can't go up. The people who use XRP and even the CEO of Ripple are shocked and upset. We absolutely can't miss the big event that is about to happen. Let's get right to the point without any more nonsense. Nota bene. A lot of things are happening in the Bitcoin market right now, but one digital asset stands out because of how strong and useful it could be. XRP is Ripple's own cryptocurrency. Even though the price of XRP has been going down lately, it has managed to stay above 62 cents, showing a stability that masks the volatility in the market as a whole. Stability comes at a very important time as big things are happening in the XRP ecosystem, such as the date for the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC coming up soon. Some important people in the XRP community, like Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse, are optimistic that the court case will be over soon. They think that XRP Ripple will win because it has recently won court battles and has a strong defense plan. Due to the lengthy legal proceedings that lasted more than 4 years, XRP Ripple has maintained its place as one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. This shows that investors and market players have a lot of faith in the asset, even when there are legal challenges and uncertainty about regulations as the time runs out for the courtroom battle. People who follow the market are paying close attention to important events that could change the path of XRP. Brad Garlinghouse is going to be speaking at the upcoming Digital Asset Summit. This event is very important because his speech is likely to give us information about changes in regulations and how the market feels. The XRP Gold Coast Conference also promises to have interesting talks about the future of XRP and its place in the larger crypto community. At the same time, study of on-chain data shows interesting market trends for XRP. Tracking XRP supply on exchanges and the number of active addresses show that trade activity is going down, which could mean that the way the market works is changing. Still, when there is less supply on platforms, there is usually less pressure to sell. This could help keep prices stable or even push them up in the long run. Looking ahead, April looks like it will be a very good month for XRP. The upcoming Bitcoin split event will make things even more exciting. A lot of people think that this event could cause the value of XRP to skyrocket, which could push it over the $1 mark. But the result of Ripple's court case against the SEC will still have a big impact on the future of XRP. The final court case is set for April 23rd, and the crypto community is getting ready for a turning point that could determine XRP's future. Expectations are rising and people are feeling very optimistic. This is a great time for XRP to shine once more and show that it is a major player in the cryptocurrency world. But amidst all of these changes and predictions, there is still one burning question. Are these just words, or is XRP Ripple really ready to act? What happens behind the scenes that might change the whole world of cryptocurrencies? Get ready to be amazed as we go deeper into XRP Ripple and find the secrets that are pulling it in the direction it is going. Please be careful, because what you're about to learn will completely amaze you. The latest changes that have happened with XRP and Ripple are truly groundbreaking. The news that XRP has been listed on the prestigious Atlantis exchange. The cryptocurrency community is shocked by a trading site that is registered with the US Department of the Treasury. The question is, what does this listing mean for the future of XRP Ripple? To begin, the news that XRP Ripple has been registered on Atlantis exchange is very important, especially since Ripple is still in court with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. The fact that Ripple registered with a site directly connected to the US Department of the Treasury is seen by many as a smart move that could help the company in court. This move shows a level of credibility and acceptance that might tip the scales in Ripple's favor, pointing to a possible win in the case against the SEC. XRP Ripple also has a lot of new options now that it is listed on Atlantis exchange. Because XRP is now easier for more people to access and trade, its liquidity and trading numbers are about to go through the roof. This increased exposure could bring in institutional buyers and make XRP an even more important player in the cryptocurrency market. Getting registered with a platform regulated by the US Department of the Treasury also gives investors trust, which lowers their worries about regulatory uncertainty and compliance issues. What's making it even stranger? There is a lot of governmental uncertainty in the altcoin market, but XRP Ripple is a shining example of how the law works in the US. A well-known crypto expert recently tweeted that this difference not only makes XRP stand out from its peers, but it also shows how strong the asset is and how it could be widely used in the highly controlled US. On the market, Crypto Barbie's tweet gives us an intriguing look into the future of XRP Ripple and the cryptocurrency market as a whole. Besides the legal issues, each item on the list is a possible trigger that could change the way XRP and its community move forward. The CCVS Ripple case is the most important thing that needs to be resolved soon. This legal fight has made things uncertain for people who invest in and like XRP. Regulatory clarity is one of the most important factors that will determine the future of the business. If this case goes well, it could give people the trust and clarity they need to see XRP's full potential, which could lead to more people using it and institutions investing in it. Also, the launch of an XRP exchange-traded fund is very exciting for investors who want to safely invest in the digital currency. An XRP ETF would not only make it easier for individual and institutional buyers to invest in XRP, but it would also make the market more liquid and help people find the best prices. Another exciting thing is that an XRP automatic market maker is about to come out. As a key part of decentralized finance ecosystems, AMMs make it easy for assets to be traded and provide liquidity for decentralized apps. The release of an XRP AMM could open up new ways for the XRP community to provide liquidity and generate yield, making it even more appealing to investors and developers. Besides these changes, the idea of a Ripple initial public offering IPO makes the situation with XRP Ripple even more interesting. An initial public offering IPO would not only give Ripple more money to fund its big plans, but it would also be a big step forward in the company's path to authority and widespread use. The launch of a gold-backed blockchain-based currency by the BRICS countries and the possibility that the US dollar will no longer be the most important currency in the world are two more examples of the larger geopolitical effects of these changes. There is going to be a big change in the international monetary system as geopolitical conflicts rise and central banks look into digital assets and other reserve currencies. Ripple is ready to play a key role in this change with XRP. The fact that these events are happening at the same time makes people in the Bitcoin community excited and looking forward to the expected bull run. Even though the road ahead may be full of problems and unknowns, the possible benefits are just as big. Because of this, both investors and cryptocurrency fans should stay informed, be careful, and plan ahead to take advantage of the chances that lie ahead in the world of cryptocurrencies, which is always changing. But even with all of these exciting changes and possible triggers, there is still one big question that needs to be answered. What price can people who use XRP expect during these big changes? Are there any accurate predictions on the internet that can help me figure out what will happen with XRP in the future? Do not miss this chance to stay ahead of the curve and take part in the talk that will shape the future of cryptocurrencies. Do not stop reading, because what you are about to find will amaze you. XRP's trip has been nothing but a wild ride, especially with all the legal problems it has had with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Even though Ripple has won in court, XRP has had a hard time keeping up with the rising trend in the crypto market as a whole. But new information and technical studies show that things may be changing for the better for XRP, which is investors interested again. A new study by Egrad Crypto that shows a rising triangle pattern on the charts is one of the main things that is making people optimistic about XRP. Those kinds of patterns are often seen as bullish signs in the trading world, meaning that prices may go up. Many investors are